In this video, I'll show you how to export documents from Claude AI quickly and easily. Follow along and you'll have your file downloaded in just a few clicks. First, open your browser and go to the Claude AI website. Once the page loads, sign into your account if you're not already logged in. After logging in, I'll open the conversation that contains the document I want to export. You can find your chats in the left sidebar, so I'll simply click on the conversation where Claude generated the document. Now I'll scroll through the chat until I find the document or text that I want to export. Claude often displays longer documents in a formatted block or artifact panel on the screen. Next, I'll move my cursor to the top right corner of the document panel. Here you'll usually see options like copy or download. I'll click the download icon to export the document. After clicking download, Claude will automatically save the file to my computer. Depending on the document, it may download as a file like PDF, Markdown, or text. If I want to export the content another way, I can also click the copy button. Then I can paste the text into another program like Google Docs, Microsoft Word, or Notion and save it from there. Once the download finishes, I'll open my Downloads folder to confirm that the document has been saved successfully. And that's it. The document from Claude AI has been exported and is ready to use. And that's how you export documents from Claude AI. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple AI tutorials.